Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss an important topic that has the potential to transform your life, starting a healthy lifestyle. Taking the first step towards a healthier you can be daunting, but with the right guidance and mindset, it's entirely achievable. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 valuable tips to help you kickstart your journey towards a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. So, grab a pen and paper, get ready to take notes, and let's dive right in. A healthy lifestyle is essential for overall well-being, as it promotes physical and mental health. However, starting on the path to a healthier lifestyle can be challenging. In this video, we will explore 10 valuable tips to help you embark on your journey towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. 1. Set clear and attainable goals. Begin by setting clear and realistic goals. Identify what you hope to achieve with your new healthy lifestyle. Whether it's losing weight, improving fitness levels, or reducing stress, having specific goals will keep you motivated and focused. Write down your goals and break them into smaller, achievable steps to track your progress along the way. 2. Create a balanced diet plan. Develop a balanced diet plan that includes a variety of nutritious foods. Aim for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar or salt intake. Plan your meals in advance, incorporate colorful and nutrient-dense ingredients, and experiment with healthy recipes to make healthy eating enjoyable. 3. Stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining good health. Make it a habit to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps regulate body temperature, supports digestion, and improves overall bodily functions. Carry a water bottle with you. Set reminders to drink water, and infuse it with fruits or herbs for added flavor. 4. Engage in regular physical activity. Regular exercise is vital for a healthy lifestyle. Find physical activities that you enjoy, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or dancing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity. Incorporate strength training exercises to build muscle and improve overall strength. Consider joining fitness classes, hiring a personal trainer, or using fitness apps to stay motivated and accountable. 5. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is essential for restoration and rejuvenation. Establish a consistent sleep routine and aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a calming environment, limit screen time before bed, and practice relaxation techniques to improve sleep quality. Prioritize sleep as a non-negotiable part of your daily routine and reap the benefits of improved energy levels and mental clarity. 6. Manage stress. Stress can have detrimental effects on your health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Prioritize self-care and make time for activities that help you unwind. Create a stress management toolbox that includes techniques tailored to your preferences and needs. 7. Practice mindful eating. Be mindful of your eating habits. Pay attention to portion sizes, eat slowly, and savor each bite. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and avoid emotional eating. Eating mindfully allows you to enjoy your meals and maintain a healthy relationship with food. Engage your senses while eating, appreciate the flavors and textures, and focus on the nourishment your body receives. 8. Surround yourself with supportive people. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals who share similar health goals can greatly impact your success. Seek out friends, family, or join communities that promote a healthy lifestyle. Together, you can motivate and inspire each other on your journey. Share your progress, exchange tips and advice, and celebrate achievements together. 9. Incorporate movement throughout the day. Incorporate movement into your daily routine, even beyond your dedicated exercise time. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for a walk during your lunch break, or have standing meetings. These small changes can add up and contribute to a more active lifestyle. Find creative ways to incorporate movement into your day, such as dancing while doing household chores or stretching during work breaks. 10. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. Cultivate a positive mindset and practice gratitude. Focus on the positive aspects of your health journey and celebrate small victories. Surround yourself with positive affirmations and visualize your success. A positive mindset will help you overcome obstacles and maintain motivation. Practice gratitude by keeping a gratitude journal, expressing appreciation for your body's abilities, and acknowledging the progress you make along the way. Embarking on a healthy lifestyle is a transformative journey that requires commitment, patience, and perseverance. By following these 10 tips, you can lay a strong foundation for a healthier and more fulfilling life. Remember, progress takes time, so be kind to yourself and enjoy the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace the changes, seek support from others, and celebrate every step towards a healthier and happier you.